Hello, Tailtunes tribe. What else could it be better than tuning into interesting tales with your lad to help them learn more about the world and the right conduct in their formative stages of life? Hey, you found the right tune. Welcome to the potpourri of short tales for little champs gain their best moral values to shape their personality. There lived a farmer who was very good at growing oranges. It gave him great satisfaction to see all his work over the year to come to fruition with a healthy harvest. On one morning, as the farmer is on a walk around the orange field, he notices something out of place. There's one bad orange sitting high up on his bountiful tree. If that one bad orange were to spread to the rest, my whole crop will be spoilt. I must do something. But what do I do? The farmer says to himself. He goes into the shed to find a way. The farmer sees a long stick and says to himself, I can poke the bad orange out of the tree and stop the problem this way. He then fetched the stick from there. The stick isn't quite long enough, and in an attempt to get the bad one, a few good ones are knocked to the floor. This is no good. I need a better idea, he says to himself. The farmer returned back to the shed, looked around for any other way, and finds a catapult this time. I can shoot the bad orange off its branch, and the problem will be solved that way, he says to himself and grabs the catapult. Farmer's aim isn't so good. In all the badly aimed and missed attempts, a few good oranges are also knocked down to the floor. This is no good. A better solution is needed, he says to himself. The farmer stood near the tree and thought for yet another way. This time, the plan is to shake the tree so that the bad orange may fall to the ground, solving the problem once for all. No matter how hard the farmer shaked the tree, the bad one didn't budge. And in all his attempts, a few good ones are shaken loose to fall on the ground. The farmer is now obsessed with that one bad orange sitting at the top of the tree. He again went back to the shed and tried to think more about how to get rid of the bad orange. If I can't poke it out, shoot it out, or shake it out of the tree, then I would cut off the branch. That way, I'm sure to get rid of the bad orange, he says to himself. With this final plan of attack, the farmer arms himself with a chainsaw. As the farmer arrives at the tree, he notices something for the first time. With all his concentration on the one bad orange, he had knocked, shaked, and poked the other good ones to the ground, where they are now lying in no use. In all attempts to stop the bad spreading to the rest, the farmer had forgotten to notice about all the other wonderful good oranges. Dear tribe, thank you so much for believing us. Stay tuned for the incredible content coming on the way. Empower us to spread the good vibes too. Give a go ahead if you sense the good fit for your little champs. Do assist us with your thoughts and experiences in the comment block. Above all, make sure to meditate for being mindful and take care of yourself the right way. Catch you soon.